Hey guys, so today we're going to be assembling a sectional sofa. As you can see, this is going to be a left-facing sectional sofa with an ottoman included. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, like the channel, and leave a comment down below. This comes in 3 boxes. It's going to be the sofa. Behind here we have the chase. And right here in the smaller box, we're going to have the ottoman. When we assemble sectional sofas here, we like to start one box at a time. We don't want to open all the boxes up at once and make a big mess. So we're going to start with the sofa only, and then we're going to move forward from there. So to start with this box, we're going to go ahead and flip it on the bottom. When we do cut the box, we want to cut it at an angle. We don't want to cut straight down. You will cut the cushions. First thing you want to do is take out the base. And inside the box you're going to find all the back pieces. A throw pillow. Another back piece. These are going to be the back cushions. Should be 3 of them. And you should have one long back piece. And remove all the trash out of your living area. So we're going to have one long back piece, have this corner piece that has a corner to it. We're going to have a much longer piece. For now, you can put the pillows aside. We're not going to be needing these. Under here, you're going to find more parts. You're going to find the instruction sheets. And I'll put this down in the description below for more information. We're going to have 3 bottom cushions. And this is the sofa part. We have 1 cushion, 2. You can have another back pillow. We'll put that aside. And we have the 3rd cushion. Now for now, we can put all these cushions aside. We won't be needing these at the moment. Inside here, you're going to find the hardware and the lights. So in this box, you should receive a box like this, labeled parts inside. Let's go ahead and open this. Once again, when you do cut in the box, don't cut straight up and down, cut it at an angle. You don't want to mark your new legs. In this box, you're going to find a few items. You're going to find all the hardware. This will be used to attach the back pieces to the base. You're going to find a bracket. This is used to hold the sectional and the chase together. You're going to have 4 black pieces. These are used underneath the legs. And of course, you're going to have 4 wooden legs. Okay, so for this assembling, we're going to be assembling the sofa as a left-facing chase, meaning the chase, if you're facing it, will be on the left-hand side. This will be the sofa part, the chase will be on this side. That's how it comes naturally out of the box. If you do decide to assemble it the opposite way, meaning you'll be right-facing chase, you will need to grab the opposite piece from this one, and you will need to line up the holes. I will show you that there are holes here. We do need to rotate this base so I can assemble it on this direction. As you can see, the sofa does have holes in the front and the back. For the purposes of assembling this left facing, I will need to rotate this piece end to end for the holes to line up. Now that we have the base lying flat, let's go ahead and grab the bolt. So the first larger piece will have 3 holes. So let's go ahead and attach the pieces. When we do attach the pieces onto the base, there is a shorter end and a longer end. We want to attach the shorter end to the back piece, and we want to enter the longer end to the base. So go ahead and slide this into the 3 holes that are available here. We're going to grab this piece, which has an angle to it. Go ahead and attach both bolts in here. For reference, this is F piece. And you should have 2 holes here. Just slide in. And for the last piece, which is piece E, we have 2 bolts. Here. And this will go to the side here. Okay. Now once this is done, we'll go ahead and push this on its back. We're going to grab the bolts and the washers, and we're going to go ahead and attach it. We will be using their tool. So underneath the base, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and give you a close-up so you can see how it looks. As you can see, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, should be 1 right there, 7. And just to show you, you add the washer first, then you add the Loctite, then you add the bolt. Go ahead and screw that in. And you grab the tool peridot and you turn it to tighten it. You're going to do that to all 7 bolts. I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, once we have all the bolts tightened down, we'll go ahead and grab the Velcro, we'll apply it onto the sofa, and we'll add the legs and the pillows. We'll grab the two legs. As you can see, I already applied the washers there. Go ahead and add those on. We'll go ahead and grab these 2 legs, apply the 2 washers. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and put the sofa on its legs. And we'll go ahead and add the pillows. The 2 pillows with the angles will be at the end piece. So here you go. We have 1 part done out of 3. We'll go ahead and slide this over, get out of the way. We'll go ahead and bring the chase in, and we'll start assembling that one. Now we'll be assembling the chase part. As before, we'll go ahead and flip it on its back there. We'll go ahead and open the box. Make sure you don't slide the blade directly into the box. You use an angle. You don't want to cut the pillows or damage the sofa. So we'll go ahead and put it in its back and we'll start there. As As you can see, we're gonna have the base again, and then we're gonna have some pillows underneath. Go ahead and pull this out. We'll go ahead and get rid of all the cardboard and trash, and we'll go ahead and put it outside or just move it aside. It makes it easier to assemble the chase part. Inside this box, you should have a chase cushion. You should have one pillow or one bottom cushion, a throw pillow that we can also put aside. Underneath, inside the base, we'll go ahead and open this up to see what's in there. So inside you should have part C, which will be the back pieces. This piece here should be part B. And you should have some pillows there. Inside you should have parts. And we'll go ahead and go over this. Okay, in the box, go ahead and open it up. As before, you should have the hardware. 4 washers for the legs. Another bracket. 4 legs. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and assemble the chase parts. We're gonna add the backings to it. So we're gonna go ahead and lay it flat on the floor. I'll go ahead and show you the holes. On one end, there shouldn't be any holes. On one end, there should be. I'll go ahead and show you that now. So this is the side that has the holes. This is where we'll be attaching the pieces. Depending if you're assembling it to the left hand or the right hand side, you'll go ahead and apply the backings. On the other end, there shouldn't be any holes at all. We'll go ahead and grab the bolts and we'll go ahead and start adding the pieces. As with before, you'll grab the pieces. You'll use the short end to apply it inside. This piece will go at the very back. This is C. Now make sure, since B does have some options, make sure that they do line up. So this will be the first. We'll skip one. We'll add it to the third one, and we'll add one to the end there. As before, we'll go ahead and flip it on its back, and we'll go ahead and add the bolts. Lift the Velcro up once again. Make sure it doesn't get wedged between the base and the backing. Okay, now that that's done, we'll go ahead and apply the Velcro there. We'll go ahead and grab 2 of the legs there. We'll add the washers. Okay, now we'll add the other 2 legs. You have 2 legs, got a washer, washer. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and flip it on its legs. We'll go ahead and add the pillows. The taper ends here, we'll go at the end. So now we'll go ahead and put it all together. Okay, now that we got the sectional put together, we do have to add the brackets. Here are the 2 bracket pieces. We'll go ahead and apply these. So in between the cushions here, you will find 2 holes. So here's a good idea there. And then you go ahead and add the back pieces. Other bracket, I'll go ahead and push the couch in. And the bracket should fall into place, like so. So you should have 2 brackets there. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the legs on the ottoman now. So we'll go ahead and grab the washers. We'll apply them to each leg. And move the pillow there. Once all the legs have been put on, go ahead and put the ottoman on its legs. Should have 2 Velcro pieces. And there you go. You got a complete sectional sofa here.